to preach Yuga Dharma and through Nam Sankirtan giving prema is Bahiranga Leela, is external Leela. Gauna Leela. Do you understand? Secondary Leela, not Mukhya Leela, not Chief Leela, not Antaranga Leela, not internal Leela. But here he manifested his Antaranga Leela in Jagannath Puri Dham, Antya Leela. You understand? In Gambhira, that small house is there. Gopi Kasi Mishra's house, Gambhira. You have seen, visited? Yes. With the Raya Ramananda Swarup Damodar Goswami. He manifested that thing. Is Gopi Prema Swadana. Do you understand? But Radharani is testing, what gopis are testing, that prema, that lila is Mukhya lila, Antaranga lila of Gaura. You understand? Yuga Dharma, Nam Sankirtan Prachar is his external activity, external lila, secondary lila. That Jugavatar does. Swayamrupa never does so. Jugavatar. When Swayamrupa comes, Jugavatar comes with him. That Jugavatar's activities. Gaura never comes in all Kali Yuga. Once in a Kalpa. He came this Kali Yuga. Then after one Kalpa again he will come in another, some Kali Yuga. Not all Kali Yugas. Jugavatar's came. Jugavatars come in all Kali Yugas. They only introduce Yuga Dharma. They cannot give you this Antaranga, most internal rasa, madhurya rasa. They cannot give you, Braj Prem they cannot give you. No. Then, that is the Leela of Brajbhumi. Kishore Vais Leela, Krishna in 11 Kishore age, that is 11 years old Krishna, Nandanandan Krishna, Jasodanandan Krishna, that Leela he has manifested in Brajbhumi. That is his Madhurjamaya Leela, very loving and sweet Leela. That is the asset of Gaudiya Gurus. That is Ras Leela, that's dealings with Braj Gopis. You understand? Only dealings with Braj Gopis and Radharani. That is Madhurjamaya Leela of Krishna. You understand? That is the asset of Gaudiya Guru. You follow me?
So Lord Chaitanya in Gambhira and also
he manifested that.
And also Lord Krishna.
He tested it, releases it and distributes.
Lord Krishna's Leela also.
So in order to have that, one has to take shelter of such a Guru. One who has this asset, otherwise how can get it? Do you follow me? Yes. That is Vipralambha Bhav, Viraha Bhav. Always feeling thanks of separation from Krishna. That Gaura manifested here in Gambhira. He has not manifested that thing in Nadia. No, he manifested here. Yeah. Taking of sannyasi, when he came down here, he manifested here. With his most intimate, Raya Ramananda Swarup Damodar Goswami, where Lalita Sakhi, Vishakha Sakhi, crying, Gaura is crying, feeling thanks for acute pain, separation from Krishna. That is Prem Leela. Do you understand? As gopis, Radharani feel, that's Viraha. Do you follow? Viraha means thanks of separation. That's the topmost platform of this Prem Bhakti, topmost level, Viraha. In that Viraha Bhav one can relish the Krishna's beauty, Krishna Madhurya. Otherwise nobody can relish it completely. That's Vipralambha Bhav, Vipralambha Rasa. Union, Sambhoga, Vipralambha, 2 times. Union and separation. In union, in Sambhoga, they relish Relishment, what do you say? Relishment, huh? Is not so great. You understand? And Vipralamba is great relishment. Much relishment. You understand? Mm. In Viraha. Mm. Mm.
Sometimes the gopis even in union they feel separation.
That is Khanika, temporary.
Temporary.
Yes. Radharani has felt such thing. That is Khanika. That in Lalita Madhava, Vidagdha Madhava, Rupapada has given some descriptions. Short-lived, very short-lived. But always feeling pangs of separation. That is Mahaprabhu's bhajan dhara. Mahaprabhu is always feeling that thing, pangs of separation. Sunyayitam jagat sarva govinda virahena me. Oh, world seems to me as empty. You understand? Govinda viraha. You understand? Feeling the separation from Govinda. I see all the world empty. No Govinda. I can see Govinda. What is he? You understand? That is feeling. That's all. The Gaura Rupa, the form of Gaura is Vipralamba Bhav. A Vipralamba Bhav has taken up a form. Embodiment of Vipralamba Bhav is Gaura. Gaura's form is the embodiment of Vipralamba Bhav. Do you follow my language? That is Gaura. That is whole form is like that. Gaura's whole form is like that. It's Vipralamba. It's thanks of separation. This Vipralamba Bhav has taken, has accepted a form. That is form of Gaura. That is Gaura. He's crying for Krishna. Always. Don't disturb his mood. My Guru Maharaj said, don't disturb the mood of Gaura. It's very painful to him. He's crying for Krishna. To make him Krishna, then how can he cry? It will disturb so much. There's so much pain. That is what. This is tattva, very deep, subtle tattva. If you cannot understand this thing, what to say? What to say? Wherever I go, I say this thing, but little understanding. Cannot understand. Little understanding. Very little understanding. They cannot understand this. What shall I say? What shall I do? Yes. What is the form of Gaura? Gaura is the form of Vipralamba Bhav. The Vipralamba Bhav has assumed a form, that is Gaura. Huh? Isn't it? That is Gaura. The whole form is like that. It's feeling thanks for separation from Krishna. That's the Vipralamba Bhav. That's Jiva Goswami. Goswami is asserted like this. And he tests. That form Gaura tests the highest. Ekolli Radhika Aswade Sakali. Only Radharani tests the highest. Only that Radha he tests. In the form of Krishna he cannot test it. So he came as Gaura. He tests that prema. You understand? That Madhurya Aswadan, his own Madhurya, Krishna's own Madhurya. Testing his own Madhurya. You understand? In the form of Gaura. Radharani tests.